this is Ankita. I'm a cloud evangelist with Footron. Today I'm going to talk to you about Microsoft Teams. So if we go back and try to look at the whole idea of Microsoft Teams, it started because of a couple of challenges that employees were facing in the modern workplace. So on one hand, we were talking about modernizing the workplaces, which meant better collaboration, better communication, better way of task management, lesser knowledge gap, and real-time communication basically being there, so that the work can be planned better, there is more productivity at the workplace, the people are having better work-life balance in place. So considering all those things, better communication tool was needed, and although Skype for Business was there, but it was a tool developed long back to solve different problems. So if we go back and look at all these tools, for example, emails, audio video calls, and all those tools were developed with a different mindset for a different audience, for a different requirement, which evolved pretty much a lot with the changing times. But as the things have changed a whole lot in today's time, these tools were not sufficient to fulfill all those requirements. So for example, a lot of us have been using smartphones at our workplace, and it's pretty normal for us to carry it into our workplace. In fact, you might not be aware that now it's a cyber law to even touch your colleague's work phone or personal phone without their permission, without their presence. So you cannot even unlock it. If it is left unlocked, then you cannot touch it. If you already know the code, you cannot unlock it. So that is the extent of technology in our day-to-day work life. Which means that all the apps, all the data that is there in your employee's phone, if you are not handling it through the enterprise manner with the enterprise apps in place, it would be illegal to touch their phones to remove the organizational data. So shadow IT, which is a huge problem, which is putting your organization's data at risk, is very rare. That means it's a difficult choice. Either you give your employees the option of choosing the flexibility to work, or you put your organization's data at risk. Of course, there's a third option of putting more money. So how can we handle this? The better way is to go down to ensure that whichever tool, whichever app they are referring to using is authorized by the technical team at your organization. And at the same time, you give them the tools that help them to collaborate, communicate, manage the tasks in a much efficient manner. So one such tool is Microsoft Teams. What Microsoft Teams allows you to do is helping you to collaborate with your team members, having the real-time communication, tagging each other, saving the messages, sharing the files easily, maintaining the context of the conversations, file-related conversations, editing the files in real-time manner, co-authoring on the files, and task management. You can actually integrate Planner tool with Teams, which helps you to manage the tasks in very efficient manner. And then you get all the meeting updates also from the Teams. So overall, Teams is a great tool, a very helpful tool. It helps you to have the better collaboration, better communication, better task management within your team. As well as there is lesser information gap. However, there is a still teeny tiny bit challenge, especially for the organizations who have got a lot of on-field workers. So it could be your sales team, it could be your frontline workers, it could be the geographically separate teams. So there could be a different challenge which is there. So how do you bring efficiency? How do you take the messages across the team? How do you ensure the people who are not possibly in the system through the email address, yet in a way connected to you, for example, your vendors, your partners, your customers, how do you take that messaging in a secure manner to all the people who are associated with you? So there is a product called Kaizala from Microsoft, which is there in the app stores. You can download it, you can explore it. The great part about this tool is you can securely use this tool to chat with your family, your friends, as well as your co-workers. So in the next video, we are going to cover what is the difference between these two tools and what is the roadmap with these two tools. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Do like the video if you really think that it gave you some learning about the Microsoft Teams, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.